Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between two of the most popular prop trading firms, Apex Trader Funding and FTMO. Whether you're an experienced trader or just getting started, choosing the right prop firm can make or break your trading journey. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know which firm is the best fit for you. Let's jump in. First up, let's talk profit splits. This is the percentage of profits you keep after the firm takes their share. Apex Trader Funding offers a 90% profit split. That's right, you get to keep most of your gains. FTMO, on the other hand, offers a lower 80% split, but with some added perks we'll cover in a minute. Takeaway: if maximizing profit retention is your goal, Apex Trader Funding takes the cake here. Now let's talk about fees. Apex Trader Funding has a subscription model starting at $137 per month. FTMO charges a one-time fee, starting from $149 for their evaluations. Takeaway: Apex Trader Funding's monthly fee might make more sense if you prefer a lower entry cost upfront. But with FTMO, once you pass their evaluation, you're set. Funding is huge for traders. With Apex Trader Funding, you can access up to $300,000 in capital. FTMO, however, blows that out of the water with up to $5,760,000 in available funding. Takeaway: if you're looking to trade with big capital, FTMO clearly has the advantage here. But don't count Apex Trader Funding out if you're looking to start smaller. Next up is the evaluation process. This is how you prove to the prop firm that you're a good fit for their funding. Apex Trader Funding has a more relaxed evaluation process, making it easier to get started. FTMO has a stricter two-step process, but the reward is access to much larger capital once you qualify. Takeaway: if you want a quicker, easier way in, Apex Trader Funding is your go-to. But if you're looking for a more rigorous test with higher rewards, FTMO has you covered. What can you trade with these firms? Here's the breakdown. Apex Trader Funding focuses on futures trading. FTMO offers Forex, indices, and commodities. Takeaway: your choice here depends on what you love trading. Futures traders, Apex is for you. If you want more variety, FTMO's got your back. Lastly, let's talk reviews. Apex Trader Funding boasts an impressive rating of 4.9 from its traders, with lots of praise for its simplicity and high profit splits. FTMO also scores high at 4.8, with users appreciating their robust platform and funding options. Takeaway: both firms are well-loved, but Apex Trader Funding edges out slightly in customer satisfaction. Which firm do you think is the better fit for your trading style? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to smash that like button if you're enjoying the content. All right, let's wrap it up. If you want a high profit split and an easier entry, Apex Trader Funding is the one for you. But if you're after massive funding and you don't mind a challenge, FTMO is a powerhouse. Thanks for watching, and if you want more deep dives into prop firms, make sure to subscribe for future videos. Next week, we're exploring scalping strategies that work best for prop traders, so stay tuned. See you in the next video.